Hey everybody, this is Scott with Big Head Biker. We are back working on the Road Glide. I did have a rounded out screw on the derby cover. Got an extractor kit. This is kind of like an impact screwdriver, but it has different bits, and 3 of those are to extract any rounded out screws or anything like that. I thought the hole I had on there at first was good enough. It was not. So I drilled a smaller hole inside there and then got the extractor kit on that. If you haven't used one of these, they are really handy for stuff, especially stubborn screws. Like I said, it has different bits, comes with like a Phillips bit and this and that. You'll see on here, once you get to where you want it, when you hit the end of the screwdriver, it will start coming loose. They work pretty well, and this was under 20 bucks, and I know it'll come along. I had another set, I think I got from AutoZone, that didn't have extractor bits, just had like, a straight and a Phillips and stuff. But as you can see, this worked pretty well. Got that stubborn bolt out. And there it is, out of the way. Okay, so we got the primary fill funnel adapter thingy on there. You can get these from Harley or wherever. I got this from Amazon. It works good. It just kind of clicks into place there, so you can fill up your primary. I'm using AMSOIL primary fluid and AMSOIL tranny fluid. I know a lot of guys just use like a full synthetic, the same stuff for all 3. Whatever you want to use, whatever works. This is my first time using AMSOIL, but if you are interested in AMSOIL, please comment below and I can take care of you. So, got the filter on. I got this filter from Amazon too. I should just got one from Harley. Sorry, not the filter, the gasket. We'll just see how it works. If it leaks, I'll just get a new one. But it was different than the one that was on there, so I don't know how that'll work out. There we got 5 new screws. These are from Drag Specialties. I'm sure you can get them from, Harley or anybody else. They are chrome, but just depends what kind of look you're going for. They have some that are just the brush look or the stainless look or whatever, but they are a T27 head, just like the factory was, and I do have the proper tool, the T27 adapter, to get those on, so they don't need to be over tight. Get them down to the, I did torque them later on, but just didn't show that part. I don't remember what the torque reading is right now, but don't over tighten these. That's what happened before that, and I didn't have the right tool. That's what caused them to round out. But just be careful when you're putting these on. There's not a lot of fluid in here, They don't have to be super tight. It's, and plus the derby cover is most of the time vertical, so it's not like fluid is rushing out of it or against it or anything. So okay, so here we are working on the transmission fan, the drain plug that was stripped out. Gonna tap that and put in an insert, and then put in the stock drain plug bolt. I bought a tap kit off of Amazon. I put a link below. However, it didn't have the size that I needed, so I did have to run Tractor Supply because Amazon was going to take too long. Once I realized I didn't have what I needed, the Tractor Supply did. It was like $8 or something. But got that. I did use the tap kit that I bought with the 1/2-inch tap, and I tried to just kind of chase the threads that were there and seeing if that worked. It did not. It didn't change anything. You still put the bolt in there and it just spun. So, but this was a long, drawn out procedure for me. Just because it's the first time I've done it. Not working in a spot where you can see everything, working underneath the bike. It was nice to have this lift. I still am going to make some more improvements so it's not lopsided with this big a bike on there. And also buy some straps that I can use just for this so I don't go back and forth. That are ratchet straps. The tension straps for these I do not like. But you'll see later on I was putting the bolt in and the whole bike shifted. That scared me just a little bit. But anyways, so with the insert, they do sell a tool to put the insert in because it's pretty wide and I didn't have any flatheads screwdrivers that were big enough to put it on. I didn't buy the tool because I, once again, was stupid, didn't think I needed it. So I made one using some metal and one of the little die wrenches that came with the whole tap set. But that didn't work the greatest. I think if I had do this again, I would have just bought the tool. It goes back. Here we are again. Get the right tools and the job's a lot easier. And you can get it done efficiently and with a lot less stress and headache. But it worked. I got it in, and all is well. Okay, so I finally got the insert in where it needed to be. Here you see me putting the plug in. I thought I had the insert up where it needed to be, and I did not. That's what's happening in this picture. So actually, when I'm turning the drain bolt, I'm putting the insert in a little farther as well. That really wasn't my plan. But so far, I had no leaks. The train is good to go with AMSOIL transmission fluid. However, you can see here, this is my problem. The socket got a little too deep. I should have used a shallow instead of a deep. And I could not get the socket off. This is where I don't like this stand because when you're really pushing around on it, I need the ratchet straps just to hold the bike solid so you're not doing anything. If you're just changing fluids, everything goes great. You're just popping bolts out and this and that. But see how the bike just slid right there? That scared the bejeebus out of me. I thought the whole thing was going to fall, even though the straps are still on. But with the ratchet straps so you can get tighter. Anyways, it worked. Like I said, the bike's back together. No issues as of yet. Worst case scenario, if I can't get that back out, I need to drill it, retap it, or put a new transmission pan in. I've found some used ones already for like $30. I might just go ahead and buy it just to have it. And then when I'm ready, 10,000 miles from now. So, I wanted more footage. I thought I had more footage, but my GoPro died. Here's the good and bad. I bought a GoPro 8 white. If you know anything about GoPros, the colors are like the models are and black is really good. The white is not. It's not bad. It's just it does not have removable battery. So when it goes dead, you gotta charge it up or leave it plugged in. And I didn't do that. I need to, but so I lost some footage. But everything worked. I got the the bike back down just fine. I actually went ahead and did exhaust with that, and I'll do another video for that. But like I said, all the fluids are changed. We are good to go. Rode it this morning with no issues. Shift's good. Everything's good. So I'll keep on watching to make sure I don't see any leaks or anything, checking the levels. But besides that, we're good to go. So thanks for watching. Like I said, I am slowly learning, trying to not make as many mistakes, but there's only one way to learn, you know? So you guys take care, and we'll catch you later. Thanks for watching. Remember to like and subscribe if you haven't already.